Guys, welcome to the Motovilla, and there is someone very special right now with us who is very important to motorcyclists. Thank you so much for making it here.
It's been long due.
Absolutely.
I was waiting.
Mr. Giridhar Chandak, Managing Director for Vega and of Axor. This is a 25-year-old bike, the Pulsar, my first motorcycle.
Oh, lovely. It's an amazing collection. So what I can see here suddenly, it's so nice. Yeah.
And of course, how can you must be recognizing these helmets.
Of course. It's such a pride to have a wall at your Motovilla. Something like this.
Giri, we all know your love for cars.
Yeah. It's looking amazing. So I'm going to drive this till Rudrapur.
Yeah,
I'm on my way to my factory. Yeah. So let's drive and...
So Rudrapur is actually, I think, foothills in Uttarakhand. And we are going there.
Haven't seen anything like this ever. This is something... This shows all your passion. So much about bikes, cars.
The bionic helmet, the fourth xBhp helmet, that this is made right in the place where Giri has come in, the Belgaum factory. So how many countries are you exporting to right now?
Currently around 35 countries.
Wow, amazing. So these are cosplay helmets. Of course, this over there, you can see the collection. Exactly. This was India's first Predator helmet.
I know.
Somebody gave it to me from Russia. I think you were surprised when you yourself saw the production quality.
How beautiful it is done.
Yeah.
And this, you made only 50 you wanted us to make.
Yes.
As a limited.
Yes. There's like a trophy, which you get in F1, MotoGP champions.
Yeah.
So people who have been championing motorcycling and the motorcycling spirit around India, we gave to them as a memento on Road Trip United. Giri, time to go into the next area, which I want to see your expression when you enter this. Okay.
Wow. It's amazing. What have you created? It's really great. I don't think so anywhere in the world maybe something like this is there, or
there might be
bits and pieces, but
yeah, but the idea of Motovilla is that different rooms, different themes. It's a very curated place, like a canvas.
Fantastic. Yeah.
I want to show you one helmet, guys, which I recently got from Axor, and I just need a thread to hang it from. Oh. Is this one? This is like super leggera, of Axor helmets.
We're really working hard on this carbon fiber production. I think this is the only helmet which passes ECE to 2.06 at this weight, around 1200 grams. Yeah. The lightest helmet which passes to 2.06 ECE.
How much is it for?
20,000.
This is
for
crazy.
Real racing.
Yeah, this is for motocross.
Yeah. Carbon fiber.
Wow. The evergreen Hayabusa, literally green over here.
We did this for you.
With the old...
the street model, the first of all models which we did for you.
You can start. So smooth.
Very smooth.
Yeah, this is a Brutale, and I have a habit of, actually customizing my bikes and also the helmets that go along with it. This is a Street Fighter V4S, fastest naked bike in the world. The Rocket 3R, I think the jewel here is the engine. Other than that, I have a collection of 1:6 scale models here.
Very good.
And I think you also...
Amazing collections.
There is one Axor over there. And rest are, of course, all of video game. Yeah, and these are cosplay weapons from video games. This is where the food gets cooked. I have got something for you. I think you will like it because I think you didn't have food properly. Do you want to have this?
Oh, of course.
Yeah. I got this from Japan. This looks hyper realistic. I mean, they have such foods. And monsoons are good, winters are extremely good. So, guys, he comes from a place called Belgaum, where the main Axor factory is. Belgaum is a beautiful place.
Very beautiful. But it's beautiful. Yeah. Even we don't have peak summers there.
Yeah.
It's a hilly area. A lovely weather. We enjoy it.
So this place, is like a walking gallery. I've got 100 photos that I've clicked around 80 countries. Yeah.
80 countries?
80 countries I've done.
Great. You've seen the world, man.
Thank you. Still, I think 115 countries, something like that, to go. Enter our Moto library. Small place, but...
Such a cozy and cute one, yeah?
Yeah.
This is all your Moto library.
Yeah.
Unbelievable. Can't believe.
And
so you eat, sleep,
Yeah.
drink, everything bikes.
This is our magazine, guys.
Motorcycle.
So we have some real life. Superheroes apparently don't have to wear helmets, so they're missing out on Axor. This here is a gaming room, theme room, where I want to play games, but I don't have the time. So this is a simulator, that is 3D printed. It is a computer actually. The wings, the fairing comes up like this.
Really?
Yeah, but and look at that helmet.
Vega.
Yeah. Vega helmet. I also forgot that she had made a matching helmet.
Yeah, we sold so many of these.
Yeah.
So many of these. It's a very nice one.
This Giri, which you see here, these are also designed by me. If you see, this is written xBhp on the cards.
Oh, xBhp.
Yeah.
And now I understand.
And this also, So I just love, that wherever I can just add a little bit of touch. 2000 cars here approximately. Hot Wheels. And there's a lounge that we sit in. There's a projector, we can just watch something. And
You will watch all your ACs and
Yeah.
F1s and all that.
we got something in every room. A TV and projector in every room. So this is like other side of the Motovilla where you see a lot of natural light, less artificial light, and it's good to work and good to be here. A lot of plants.
Basically a very creative kind of a room. This
This is very positive, kind of.
Yeah.
Above us is the last level. So this is the last level, Giri, and even this is Axor, if you see. So I 3D printed all this. So we made this for the rocket. This is one place where the helmets actually belong.
So these are your what?
My riding gear.
apparels and
Yes, and helmets are there. A lot of riding gear is there. I think this you might recognize. I have a feeling.
Yes. That was the gift when you last visited.
Yeah. This is just last bit here as you enter the motor pod, and this is where you can relax a little bit, just watch the natural
Watch the
beauty.
natural
Yeah. This I want to take out and show you this. This also an Axor helmet,
Apex, yeah.
but this was gifted to me by someone who airbrushed it.
Wow.
So you see there is a rocket. The H2 is there on the other side, and
So one of your fans gifted you.
so Giri, I hope you like this place, and your essence, Axor's essence is there in every nook and corner. As you can see,
Honor, pleasure.
on the bikes, on the walls,
Yeah,
in the photos,
everywhere,
every corner, and
That's
yeah.
how we are associated.
And
Yeah.
X is the common factor,
Yes.
the X factor, xBhp and Axor.
It's absolutely my pleasure to be here. Sunny's been wanting me to come for over the years, but finally I'm here. It's time to leave now for our adventure. Speed, thrill. Let's go.
I wonder where you are taking me. Giri, I can see the smile on your face.
Oh, lovely.
But what a sunset behind us.
Yeah,
so,
yeah, beautiful.
What do you think where we are going? You must be excited to go over there.
Absolutely. Been waiting to go where we are heading to, but amazing drive.
So, what do you think about the Thar? You have to tell me.
I'm going to ride now. Maybe later little we'll drive.
And what about this?
This too good. I mean, very powerful, very nice.
This.
Golden hour, golden.
Yeah, golden hour.
Golden Thar and golden.
Wow, look at this.
Morning, guys. We had a lovely drive last evening from Delhi to Rudrapur. Took some rest, and now let's see where are we heading.
So, Giri, what is the most important thing for you being at the helm of one of the largest helmet companies, not only in India, in the world?
Everything. I mean, work ethics for sure. We've been grown because of quality and especially our designs.
How many factories do you have in India right now?
We have 3 factories in Rudrapur and 2 factories in Belgaum.
How many helmets are you producing in one day?
Around 25,000. 26,000. We have a capacity altogether to produce around 33,000 helmets.
And how many lives do you think you have saved so far?
Countless.
I think even one life saved is the job done.
Yeah, one life saving job.
Which is your personal favorite helmet in your collection from Vega or Axor?
Tough question. In Vega, for sure, how we've grown was Formula HP, way back, and in Axor, Apex, as of now.
So Giri, what do you think about xBhp helmets? Like, how are people receiving it ever since we launched?
Always been good. The first edition took people by surprise because so much of biking insights were there, and then you upgraded to, version 2, version 3. xBhp 299 was absolutely accepted, and this golden helmet, what you've done, it's a limited 50 helmets only. It's absolutely outstanding.
So, which is the biggest country out of India for you as of now in sales?
Currently, Europe, not as a country, as a continent, we are having a base in Spain.
Which is your current car, like favorite go-to car, and which is a car that you would want to own?
I love Panamera, Porsche Panamera. I've been using this for over 10 years.
So I see the smile on your face.
Finally, yeah.
Because finally we are here and off-roading little bit with the car.
Yeah, easy.
So this huge structure which you see, guys, over there, that is the latest addition to the factories for Vega. Am I right?
Yes.
Wow. Giri, how many people are you employing?
Altogether, Belgaum here, it's around 4,500 plus.
Wow.
And 40-45% are women. We stress on women employment a lot.
Oh, we can drift here.
Yes, of course.
We will drift. We will drift. So wait for that, guys. And look at this huge, I think you can park a plane.
Yeah.
A micro light at least. You should get a plane here. Wow.
Finally we reach.
Wow. This is huge.
This is all the raw material, the ABS and polycarbonate which have been stored here.
So all this is made in India or do you import?
We import, we made in India, everything, combinations.
So this is what it takes to make one helmet.
This is nothing. You've seen, you have to still see how much here.
Yeah.
So this is all our assembly division. We come from this side. Huge. After the painting, you see paint and lacquer, the shell comes in. And this is manufactured. We do in-house. It's done in another factory. It comes here, the EPS and all the tailoring, and then it is assembled like this.
Here and the woman force.
Over 45% is women.
Over 45% are women.
Yeah.
Wow.
A lot of things are involved. Maybe 150 raw material plus goes in one helmet.
And this cannot be ever automated. I mean, obviously, the intricacies.
Maybe a little semi-auto, but it can't be. See, we've tried whatever possible automations we've tried, and still the R&D and the engineers are working wherever we can. But fair enough, as long as we are giving employment and it's in our costing, it's fine. Different models, different assembly lines, they go as per the plans. Now let's go to the most critical part. The main heart, what we are known for and how good we are at is for the painting. The painting, how we paint and all this.
Wow, this is nice.
So we have license for marble.
Yeah.
This is pre-assembly.
So this is something new, I think.
Yeah, this is new. We are going to launch now.
There's a toffee, there's a candy.
Yeah. So this is how the shell comes in from the top after lacquer. 66 seconds. So every 66 seconds, one shell comes out. all robots working. There's no human involved. Yeah.
This is crazy.
So this is the most integrated part. I told you the most important part. The main painting and the lacquer. What you see, the gloss or whatever.
Get a glimpse.
Yeah, this is also quite robotic inside. Come. This is the graphic division. It's totally temperature controlled. You can see the air condition around to maintain the temperatures, whatever the inks and all are required. So once this is application, then outside has been checked for every small minor details, and then goes it for the lacquer, the final coat. We insist on women empowerment. We organize buses. We have around 40 buses in Belgaum this side and over 40 buses here to get all the labours from the villages. I mean, till last year we used to buy these graphics from multiple suppliers. Now as we are doing backward integration, now we print our own graphics. How beautiful these colors are. As you see, this is a stockyard. I mean, you can see the part codes model wise, colored, they've colored the passage and all that. Very nicely kept, different models, different storage, and the huge.
Thousands of helmets here.
Yeah.
This is huge as place. Like, you can park so many supercars here and bikes. Since 1982.
Yes.
Made in India. This is what it's about. Made in India.
I was blown away by the scale and impact that one factory had. And he has multiples of them across India. Not only they save lives, but also provide employment to thousands.
Okay, Sunny, now you've seen the factory, you've enjoyed it, you've liked it, you were overwhelmed to see. But now I would like to see some drifts what you have done in my factory. So, would you please do a drift for me and then...
So, can I have a helmet before I drift?
Of course, of course.
Which helmet would you prefer I wear? You know why I've chosen this? Not because I am also a Marvel and DC fan, I have a huge collection, but also because it matches the car. So let's get downright into it. Crazy. I think let's ask Giri if he enjoyed it. Did you like it?
Liked it? Oh my God, amazing.
Thank you so much for this opportunity.